Hey guys, so for today's lesson, start with get to. We are gonna make it a little bit harder than what we saw last time we played. So you have your number cards, you have what number you're gonna start with, and you have what number you're gonna get to. But you need something to write with and something to write on to make this a little bit more challenging, okay? So I want you to write an equation to go along with this problem. So we start with 1, and here's the card that I just turned over. Ooh. We're getting to number 2. Okay, so I'm going to create an equation. 1 plus, it's a mystery, equals 2. What do I have to add to this number to get this number? Okay, so you can use dot card, or I'm sorry, your connecting cubes. You can use your fingers. You can draw it. You can do whatever you need to solve this problem. So here's our bell. I'll let that finish. All right, so if you had 1 cube, how many more do you need to get to 2 cubes? So if I have 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I can fill that in. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay? Does that make sense? Let's try it again. Let's start with 2, and we're going to get to 9. Okay, so we're going to start with 2. We're going to add, well, I don't know yet, to get to 9. Okay, so if I have 2 cubes, how many more do I need to get to 9? So I'm going to count up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did I add? I started with 2. I've kind of covered that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I added 7 cubes to 2 to get to 9. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, use that equation to help you figure out how many you have to add with what you started with to get to the number you turned over. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Now, I know all of your cubes at home are probably different colors. That's why, let me just draw this for you. Sometimes it's easier to draw a picture. So how many did I have total? I had 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if I have 9, I had 2. I knew that I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 and 7 make how many? 9. Okay, so there are different ways to solve that and figure it out. Okay, figure out what way is the easiest for you in your brain. It may be different than your classmates or your friend. Okay, so that's start with and get to. Play that and let me know how it goes.